Welcome back to this video. If you use Google Translate, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to simply clear your search history in Google Translate. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Google Translate. So I'm going to click on my translate right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on the profile icon from the top. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on history. That's going to take you right here. Now, for you to delete any of the history right here, what you need to do is to swipe this way. When you swipe this way, you see a delete icon. Simply click on the trash. Then continue to slide just like so. The more you slide, the more the history is going to be deleted, and everything depends on how long and you have been using your Google Translate. You can go on and delete as many as possible. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply delete or clear your search history in Google Translate. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.